looking at some vasopressin receptors. So under vasopressin receptors, we are going to focus on the types as well as their functions. So let's get started. So firstly, we are going to look at the V1A. So we are going to focus on the V1A. So under V1A, we need to know the localization. So under the localization of V1A, it includes the vascular smooth muscles, and it also includes the presence of the platelets. Then it also includes the hepatocytes as well as the myometrium. So all this is included here. Now, what are the functions of this V1A? The function is that it is involved in case of the vasoconstriction. So it is involved in case of vasoconstriction. Next, it can be involved in case of the platelet aggregation and the glycogenolysis and the uterine contraction Next, we are going to look at the V31B. So what is this V31B? So V31B is nothing but it is localized as the anterior pituitary. It is the anterior pituitary. And what is the function of this? The function is nothing but it is involved in the ACTH release. It is involved in the ACTH release. Next, we'll move on to the V2. So till now we have seen the V1A and then the V1B, that is a V3. Now we are going to look at V2. So V2, the localization is in the basolateral membrane. The basolateral membrane, and this is of the collecting tubule, that is a CT. Next, we also have the vascular. There is a vascular endothelium. And next, we also have the vascular smooth muscles. So we have the vascular smooth muscles. So this was about the localization of V2. Now we'll be looking at the function of the V2. So the function here is that it is involved in the upregulation. It is involved in the upregulation of the AQP2, and it is also involved in the VWF, that is the von Willebrand factor, as well as the factor 8. So it is involved in these two release, von Willebrand factor 8 release, and then the V2 is also involved in case of the vasodilation. So this was about the types of vasopressin receptors and their functions, and here we saw the receptors, the localization and the functions. So thanks for watching, and to learn and grow daily, please do subscribe.